Hi, today I'll show you how to change this cabin air filter for Lincoln Aviator 2022. First we need to remove this old one. So old one is here, inside here. So here is a lock, need to unlock, and here's some stuff. Manual book. Here is two lock. One is here, other one is here. Just push it, push and click. Here is like another lock, not lock, this one balance this thing. I don't know why this one. I think this one is for fragment. Niche koro. And here is like two lock. One is here, you see. When I push here, then this lock open, and other two lock is there. You see, other two lock is here, and this one is filter. Every filter we need to change like every 6,000 miles we need to change this filter. But you know, Lincoln have no filter in stock, and any other third party don't product this filter. For this reason, this already 30,000 mile, and you see dusty and like too much, this too much bad. So here is new one. New one is not too good, but right now actually I have nothing to do. Manufacturer have no, so this one is, oh, I don't need this. So airflow from up to down, you see. This manufacturer one is too like good quality. Good quality, but this one like paper, only paper. And here is like airflow. How to install this? Airflow come from up, then goes down, filter this and goes down here. So easy. One, two, three. You see? Good, good. Yeah. And now I need to set this one, balance this thing, just balance it and push it. Thank you for watching.